Amid the tensions that is taking place in the state of Maharashtra, the MVA joint press conference with the top MVA leaders will take place at YB Chawan in Mumbai today. NCP Chief Sharad Pawar, Shiv Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray and Balasaheb Thorat will be present. Now, after the Lok Sabha results, Congress was being very aggressive and they said they were thinking of contesting more than 150 seats. Now, after this, Uddhav Thackeray looked upset about it, and there were talks that Uddhav Thackeray might go solo in the upcoming state elections. It seems like Sharad Pawar might be trying to pacify the situation. MVA likely to show strength and unity with this press conference. My colleague Saurabh Vakhtania is now joining me on the story. Saurabh, a lot has been happening in the state of Maharashtra. What are you picking up? Do you believe Uddhav Thackeray at the moment is thinking of fighting the elections on his own?
So, well, all party, Aishwarya, let me tell you, is thinking to get maximum number of seats to contest in the Maharashtra Assembly elections. The way the results, the mandate which the all party got, clearly it shows that there are sentiments in Maharashtra which is in favor of the regional party, which actually saw a split here in Maharashtra some times back. That is basically the NCP Sharad Pawar and Uddhav Thackre's Shiv Sena. Now, very interestingly, after the result, the Congress was not happy. The way the Congress independent candidate won the Sangli seats and few other seats. Congress and UBT things were not going well, but it is only Sharad Pawar who is trying to pacify things. Now, there was a review which has been taken by the UBT Sena, and they think that they should go solo. Not just Uddhav Thackeray, another Thackeray, that is the Raj Thackeray, is also planning to go solo in the assembly elections. Remember, Aishwarya, you would know that it was Raj Thackeray who showed clear support to the Mahayuti, to Narendra Modi. And in just some time from now, we should cut live visuals from here that Uddhav Thackeray has just arrived over here. And this is a joint press conference. The Mahavikas Aghadi would be trying to show the unity over here. They would try to show that everything is well in the MVA. The news which was coming that there will be split, the parties might be going solo. So the all party here in a joint press conference here in the visuals, you can see that the Uddhav Thackeray has arrived. From some time from now, we are expecting that Sharad Pawar and then Balasaheb Thorat, and not just all these three leaders. Let me tell you, Aishwarya, there are many other important leaders of the MVA will be present over here. And in just some time from now, the press conference would be starting. It will be very interesting to say what they have to say about the upcoming assembly elections, which are very important. And it will be very important to see that how the seat distribution happen, because this is where the entire problem is going to start. So how these three parties go together for the upcoming assembly elections will be very interesting.
Thank you, Saurabh, for giving us all those details. A very important press conference will be held by the top MVA leaders. They are now looking at making sure that the rumors that have been doing rounds, they are put to rest. In fact, the state of Maharashtra is now witnessing political turbulence after contesting the Lok Sabha elections as a key member of the India bloc. Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena at the moment is exploring possibilities of going solo in the upcoming Maharashtra Assembly elections. Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction also has initiated a process of screening the candidates for the upcoming state elections. Uddhav Thackeray has also sought a report on whether the office bearers of his party's candidate and the candidate of the Alliance Party, whether they work together in Lok Sabha elections or not. On the other hand is Raj Thackeray, whose party, the MNS, has announced that they will now be looking at contesting 200 to 225 seats in the upcoming state elections. Maharashtra elections will be held in October-November this year.
वो इसका मतलब हिंदू उनके साथ में नहीं है, बीजेपी के साथ पराजय हुआ है। तो अगर हिंदू के वोट उनको मिलते तो पराजय क्यों होता? इसका स्पष्ट अर्थ है कि उनका पराजय में ही हिंदू उनके साथ में नहीं है। जहां जहां राम का वास था वहां उनका पराजय हुआ है। त्याचाच अर्थ असा आहे की हिंदू आणि प्रभू रामचंद्रांनी भारतीय जनता पक्षाला नाकारलं आहे। ते जर उद्धव ठाकरेकडे बोट दाखवत असतील तर ते चुकीचं आहे।
उद्धव ठाकरे ने अकेले चुनाव लड़ने की हिम्मत दिखानी चाहिए, मेरा ऐसा बोलना। सिर्फ सुखी धमकी नहीं देते रहना चाहिए कि मुझे मेरे मालूमात के हिसाब से कांग्रेस उनको 25 सीट से ज्यादा देने को तैयार नहीं है। तो इसलिए ये सब जो वो बड़ा इंफॉर्मेशन बाहर निकाले कि हम स्वतंत्र लड़ाएंगे, उनकी हिम्मत नहीं है। उनकी रीढ़ की हड्डी टूट गई है कि वो खुद का खुद चुनाव लड़ सकते हैं महाराष्ट्र में। इसलिए ये सारी सूखी धमकियां हैं। उद्धव ठाकरे को इतनी हिम्मत ही बची नहीं कि उसको मालूम है उनके 9 के 9 सांसद ये उनके वोट बैंक के वजह से नहीं जीते हैं, कांग्रेस के वोट बैंक के वजह से जीते हैं। तो इसलिए वो इतनी हिम्मत कर ही नहीं सकते। ये सिर्फ सूखी धमकियां